Hello, my name is Max. I'm the author of the article that you're probably seeing this video on, and I want to go over some of the strategies that I talked about in the article for marketing and just digital marketing strategies in general. The things that we talked about in the article are SEO, search engine optimization, so being found on search engines, PPC, pay-per-click advertising, so running an advertisement on a certain platform, usually a social platform, influencer marketing, and then content marketing. And really quick, what those are and how they work, you can learn about it in the article and you can learn about it here. This is SEO. This is a good example of SEO. This is my personal website, Entrepreneur. I also have it on my little hat here, of course. Got a brand. I wrote articles on different things that I think are topical and relevant and interesting to my target audience, right? When you Google something like, 5 quick startup case studies. So 5 quick startup case studies, right? Maybe mine pops up. Look at that, 5 quick startup case studies to help you get started. They will also show up with different keywords. But the point is, through these articles that I've written on my website, I get found on Google or Bing or other search engines, and users find me, they check me out, and maybe they follow my stuff. Boom, now I have a customer. So that's how SEO works. You write articles and people find you. On Facebook, for instance, on social media, you can run ads, and this is a good example of an ad. This isn't my ad, but it's a cool no-code website builder called MakeSwift. So they help me build websites. Sounds really cool. I'm interested, of course, and they know that I'm interested in this stuff, so they're running this ad to me. And I can go to something called the Facebook Ads Manager, and I can run just about whatever I want to just about whoever I want. I can run ads like these. If you go to just business.facebook.com, you can run ads on Facebook and Instagram. You can do this on Google, on YouTube, on Reddit, all across the internet. And you can run your own ads to people that might care. You pay per click for whoever clicks on your ad or per 1,000 views, and they find your thing. Boom, now you have a customer. Now that's 2 ways. A third way, influencer marketing, is where, let's say I'm on Instagram. I would go and I would find somebody really cool. This is somebody that I was talking to recently, Tina Bonner. Tina has almost 13,000 followers, right, of really, really cool people, and she's in the life and performance space, right? So maybe in my space as well. So her followers might like the stuff that I'm doing. They might be my customers. So I would reach out to Tina. I would message her and say, hey, is there a way we can work together? And that's essentially it. You find a way to work together. Maybe I pay Tina, maybe me and Tina make some valuable content, maybe I write an article for Tina. We trade some goods, services, or payments. She promotes me, and now I have customers. Awesome. So that's the third way, through influencers, through people that are already popular on the internet. And the fourth way, content marketing, which kind of connects pretty heavily to writing articles, because articles are content. But content usually revolves around things like social media or an independent source, like a newsletter. Here's an example. On LinkedIn, I post a ton of videos, as you can see. It's called #NoCodeNerd. It's one of my popular series on LinkedIn right now. #NoCodeNerd, NoCodeNerd, NoCodeNerd, NoCodeNerd. All these different things. And I talk about different cool tech tools, right? And through that, I get maybe 100, sometimes I'll get 1,000 views per post. And people that are on LinkedIn that are interested in tech tools will see my videos. And then boom, maybe they become a customer, maybe become a follower, and then maybe they become a customer, right? So it's kind of like being found on Google, but in this case, I'm being found on social media for making cool stuff, right? So content marketing overlaps pretty decently with SEO, but it usually relates to social media sites like LinkedIn. So those are your 4 ways: SEO, writing articles; Facebook or PPC, running advertisements on social platforms or places like YouTube or Google; influencer marketing, finding really popular people and working with them to use their audiences as a possible funnel for customers; and fourth, content marketing, making your own awesome content on a social media source or really anywhere on the internet so people can find you because you're making really great stuff, and that's how you find customers. Those are the 4 strategies. Hope that was helpful, and I hope the article is helpful too. It goes into a little bit more detail on each different strategy. Yeehaw!